45 pupils in a class were given some sweets to share equally. When 15 of the pupils gave away all the sweets to the rest of the class had 12 extra sweets each. How many sweets were given to the class to share? Now, out of this 45 pupils, all right, 15 of them decided to give their sweets to the rest of the class, which means that the rest of the class will be 45, take away 15, and that will be 30 pupils. Alright, and for these 30 pupils, they all had an extra 12 sweets each. So where did these sweets come from? It came from the 15 pupils who gave away their sweets. So the next step is to find the extra sweets that is going around. So the extra sweets that is going around will be 30 times 12. Alright, again, because the rest of the pupils, that is 30 pupils, each of them got 12 extra sweets. So this will be 360 sweets. Now again, where did these 360 sweets come from? It came from those 15 kids who did not want to eat any sweets and decided to give away their sweets. So how many sweets did each of the pupils actually get at first? Alright, number of sweets for each pupil, this will be 360 divided by 15. Okay, so when we do this, we will achieve an answer of 24 sweets for each pupil. Okay, this is the original number of sweets for each of them. And to find how many sweets were given to the class to share, we will take 24, multiply it by that original 45 pupils. So 45 times 24, and we should be able to get our answer. 1080 sweets.